Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the headlight on a 2010 Subaru Forester. So today we have some special headlights. They are right here in this nice little box. They're an LED headlight bulb. So you got the model is H11901 If you want to see the unboxing of this product, you can check it out here. It'll be on the Honest Reviews YouTube channel, so I'll put a card up there. But this is an excellent little thing. It's 200 watts. We've got all kinds of stats right here. Warranty for a year, lifespan, 50,000 hours. So let's check it out. It's a nice, very cool looking futuristic headlight. Now I know that doesn't matter, but I don't know, looks to me kind of matter, so pretty neat. So what we're going to do is install this. Very, very simple process. If you need to know how to install headlights or other lights, we have a playlist that'll be right here on all kinds of auto things, so you can see how to do like blinkers and marker bulbs and tail lights and headlights and all that kind of stuff. But the first step that we need to do is remove this vent cover, this plastic piece right here. That will give us some more space behind the headlight so that I can get my hand in right here to be able to loosen that cap and pull the light out to put this light in and then put everything back. So we're going to start by taking this off right now. Alright, that was very simple. So now I'm going to spin you around to this side. Alright, here we are in the back of the headlight. You can see this is the disc that I was talking about that you need to remove, this little cap. And so here you can see there's an arrow on this. What you need to do is give this a little turn so that it lines up, and then you can pull that off. Careful not to drop it, because if you drop it, it's going to end up down here hiding on top of your splash guard. You'll have to try and get your hand in there or take apart the bottom, which is kind of a pain. So here we go. Now that we have that open, you can see that is the headlight bulb. So getting this out is very, very simple. It's a half turn. So you can see there, we just do a little turn and then pull it out. And that is the headlight. So now the process is also very simple. Take this, pull it out, and put the new headlight in. So I'm going to show you that from a different angle here. Alright, so taking out the old light and putting in the new LED light is very simple. So you can see here we have this little tab that all you need to do is hold this down and you can pop this right out. So set that aside, and then the new one goes in the same way. Hold the tab down, push this in, and there we go. Now what's important about this light is that when you install this headlight, each of these microchips are facing the left and right of the car. So like the 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock position. Okay, so here we are on the back of the headlight. All we need to do is insert this light into the socket and then twist so that, remember, it is at 9 and 3. So there we go. Give it a little pull. Make sure it's installed. Okay. Tuck these wires in. And then we need to get the cap. Now, remember, the cap has grooves on it that line up with each of these holes. And there's also an arrow to help you with that. So we'll put that on. There we are. Give it a rotate. And we're solid. Now we'll take a look at the front. Okay, so check it out. Here is the difference between the two headlights. Unbelievable. Look how this one is super bright. This is daytime. Now we're going to go over to the other side. Okay, look at that. Very, very dim. Now, believe it or not, this is on. So this is a working headlight, but this LED light is super bright in comparison. What I'm going to do is show you all the way across the garage and see it shining on the wall. It's really incredible, the power of this LED bulb. Let me show you the other light again. Look at that. Beautiful, bright headlight. So I highly recommend these. We'll also do a review video. I'll show you that. That'll be on the Honest Reviews YouTube channel. Put it in a card up there. But let me show you that back wall real quick. Alright, so right now we are in a garage that is pretty much dark. It is pitch black, and check it out. You can see it's just the light coming on this from the one bulb is incredible. The other bulb is too far to the left of the garage, so it's not shining into the garage, it's shining past the garage. But this one is shining directly in. Now, this wall from the headlight is about 20 feet away, so that just kind of gives you an idea of how bright it is. I highly recommend it. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If so, please comment below, and if you have any questions, let me know as well. Also, I hope you hit that like button, bell icon, and subscribe button to stay tuned to future videos on How To Video channel. Thank you.